could be yours if you just keep watching. Ooh, syrup, the cold syrup on the hot pancakes. Welcome to my channel. Sorry, I've been watching too much Dracula on Netflix. Pretty good show. But anyways, I'm not here to talk about Dracula. I'm here to talk about pancakes. I'm really excited to share my vegan pancake recipe with you. It's a hit in my house, and I'm pretty sure it'll be a hit in yours. Right on time for Veganuary, but even after Veganuary, you can still do these pancakes, obviously. Dairy is actually one of the worst things to put in your body first, like after you break fast. So these pancakes are definitely going to be a little bit better. I make them with all organic ingredients. What else? I'm going to show you how to make the banana walnut version, but you can pretty much, if you don't like bananas, you can take out the bananas, do it without them, or throw in some frozen blueberries and make blueberry pancakes, which are equally delicious. Not sure if this is too close to my face. I don't have a cameraman, but pretty proud of this recipe because this is my own recipe. You can't find this thing online. Giving you the exclusive deets right here on my channel. Without further ado, let's get pancaking. My beautiful layout of ingredients. We have unsweetened applesauce, organic from Whole Foods, baking powder. This is the magic. Organic maple syrup, Whole Foods. All-purpose flour, unsweetened almond milk, vanilla, and olive oil from Trader Joe's. When purchasing all-purpose flour, make sure it's unbleached. There is a lot of research out there that can tell you that bleached flour is just dangerous and not good for you. Type in bleached flour dangerous. Some things that it talks about is that during the bleaching process, a byproduct called alloxin is produced, and alloxin is used to produce diabetes in lab animals so they can study diabetes treatments. Pretty good explanation on why you shouldn't get bleached flour. Anywho, we're going to be putting 1.5 cups of that good stuff, 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Oh, sorry, 3.5. 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you're gonna mix up all the powders together until they are one. When you're adding the liquids, you can do this in basically any order, or if it helps, just get a bowl and just mix all the liquids together and then add it to the powder if that helps. But I'm just dumping it as I go because ain't nobody got time for that. So we are adding the unsweetened vanilla almond milk. We're gonna add 1 1/4 cups of this. Okay, so now we're gonna add the unsweetened applesauce. This is gonna be the binder in this recipe. It's gonna replace the egg. Thank you, my friend Chanel, for telling me that 1/4 of applesauce is equivalent to 1 egg. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. You can also use coconut oil if you would prefer that. Fun fact, oils actually make it more moist when you're baking something as opposed to using butter. So that's a plus. Now it's time for the banana. So you're gonna take a very ripe banana. When it has those brown dots, that means it's nice and sweet and perfect for pancakes. I don't know if you can see me. Whoop. That's all you do. So easy to cut a banana this way. Just literally cut it in the peel like that. And then it's like throwing money. You know, in those videos where they're like, that's what you do with these bananas. Oh, that one, like all the way over there. Just, you know, cutting banana coins. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? And after that, we're gonna add the nuts. This is like terrible video quality, but whatever. We don't got to be perfect. So it's 1 banana. I think I'm gonna add another just because I'm a monkey and I love to eat bananas. I'll show you what it looks like.
A really good alternative if your toddler or anybody that you know does not like texture is that you can just squash these bananas up before you put them in with a fork, or just blend it into a puree and then add it to the pancake mix. Now it's time for my favorite, walnuts. I would say these are the king of nuts. They are just amazing. They keep you fuller for longer, great omega-3 and other healthy fats, nutritional powerhouse. Just get that walnut in there. So I'm just crushing up the walnut as I put it in the batter. If you don't like the texture that I absolutely love inside my pancake, you can actually just crush it up and put it on as a topping instead of inside of the batter. You can also add a little bit more milk if it's looking a little dry. A safe way to achieve nonstick is to purchase a ceramic pan, so that's what I'm using for this video, but you still need to put a little tiny bit of oil on it because you want to preserve the pan. We've got our first pancake cooking. It looks kind of weird, but I promise it won't in the end. How do you know that your pancake's ready? Well, I'll tell you. It's gonna start turning a little bit golden brown around the edges, and that's when you know you gotta flip. Your pan's looking a bit dry. You can put the rest of that oil that you saved. So now you're going to add the cinnamon on top. I do this to all my pancakes. It just looks beautiful and it just adds an extra oomph. Now I'm going to artistically assemble some blueberries very delicately. It's just for this video though. You can just throw them on there if you like, or you can use frozen blueberries, cook them on the stove, and then make a delicious blueberry syrup topping, which I often do on my food page, Don't Panic Organic. And we are done. What a beautiful presentation. I also added blackberries. You can add whatever berries of choice, but these are my fave. That wasn't so hard, was it? And it makes a delicious brunch or breakfast for the weekend when you just want to indulge a little, but still want to maintain your healthy lifestyle.